In a small village surrounded by green fields and tall coconut trees, there lived a cheerful boy named Arjun. Arjun loved food more than anything else in the world, especially his grandmother's cooking. Every Sunday, the whole family gathered at Grandma's old clay house for lunch. The most special part of the meal was not just the food, but how it was served, on fresh, bright green banana leaves. One sunny Sunday morning, Grandma called out, "Arjun, come help me in the kitchen." Arjun ran inside and saw colorful vegetables spread across the wooden table. Carrots, beans, potatoes, peas, and pumpkins. "What are we making today, Dadi?" Arjun asked excitedly. "Today, we are making a very special mixed sabji," Grandma said with a warm smile. Grandma chopped the vegetables carefully while Arjun washed them. Soon, the kitchen was filled with the wonderful smell of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, garlic, and fresh spices frying in hot oil. The vegetables sizzled in the big iron pan. Grandma added turmeric, coriander powder, and a pinch of love, as she always said. Arjun giggled at that. When the sabji was ready, it looked bright and colorful. The aroma spread through the house, making everyone hungry. Outside, Grandpa washed large banana leaves and placed them neatly on the floor mats. The leaves were shiny and fresh, with tiny drops of water sparkling on them. Everyone sat down cross-legged. Grandma served hot rice first, then gently placed a big spoonful of the special sabji on the banana leaf. Arjun took his first bite. The flavors burst in his mouth, spicy, slightly sweet, and full of warmth. Eating from the banana leaf made the food taste even better. Grandpa smiled and said, "Food tastes best when served with love and tradition." After lunch, Arjun helped fold the banana leaves and clean up. He felt proud to be part of the family tradition. That evening, as the sun set behind the fields, Arjun decided that when he grows up, he will continue serving delicious sabji on banana leaves, just like Grandma. Because sometimes, the simplest meals create the happiest memories.